Are you ready to transform your home into a Halloween wonderland with DIY decorations that are both spooky and fun? Whether you're on a budget or just love the thrill of creating something with your own hands, these Halloween decor ideas are perfect for you. Let's dive in. What are some kid-friendly Halloween decoration ideas? Halloween can be spooky, but it should also be fun for the little ones. Here are some kid-friendly decoration ideas that are safe, simple, and creative. 1. Painted pumpkins. Skip the carving and let kids paint their pumpkins. They can use glow-in-the-dark paint, glitter, or create their favorite characters with just a paintbrush. Bonus tip, use stickers for an even easier option. 2. Paper plate ghosts. Have the kids draw ghost faces on paper plates, punch a hole at the top, and hang them using string around the house or yard. Add strips of white crepe paper to the bottom of the plate for a floating effect. 3. Cotton ball spider webs. Using cotton balls and glue, let kids create their very own spider webs on black construction paper. Add plastic spiders or even draw spiders with a black marker for some extra creepy fun. If you're enjoying these kid-friendly ideas, check out the playlist in the description for more Halloween decorating tips. What are some creative ways to repurpose old items for Halloween decor? Halloween is the perfect time to get creative with repurposing everyday items into spooky decorations. Here are some easy ways to give old items new life. 1. Wine bottle jack-o'-lanterns. Paint old wine bottles with orange and black paint to look like jack-o'-lanterns. Add a cork or bottle stopper and place them on your porch or as a centerpiece. 2. Tire pumpkins. Have an old tire lying around? Paint it orange, stack multiple tires, and draw a jack-o'-lantern face. This makes for a unique yard decoration. 3. Old picture frames for spooky photos. Take old frames, paint them black, and insert creepy or vintage-style photos, either printed or drawn. Hang them in your home for an instant haunted mansion vibe. Interested in more recycling projects for the holidays? Check out the products linked in the description for more tools and inspiration. What are some easy DIY outdoor Halloween decorations using household items? You don't need to spend big to make a big impact on your Halloween decor. With a little creativity, you can create spooky and fun outdoor decorations using items you already have at home. 1. Ghosts from old sheets. Take an old white sheet, stuff it with newspaper or plastic bags to form a head, and tie it with a rubber band. Hang it from trees or your porch for an eerie ghost effect. Use a black marker to draw scary faces or cut out felt eyes and mouth. You can also add some glow sticks inside for a spooky nighttime glow. 2. Milk jug luminaries. Clean out empty milk jugs and draw spooky faces on them with a permanent marker. Fill the jugs with sand or small rocks to weigh them down, and place a battery-operated tea light inside for a glowing path of ghosts. 3. Spider webs from trash bags. Cut large black trash bags into spider web shapes and hang them around your porch or windows. These are not only budget-friendly, but also weather-resistant for outdoor use. If you like these ideas, make sure to hit that like button and share this video with your friends who love DIY projects. How can I decorate my front porch for Halloween with DIY crafts? Your front porch is the first thing trick-or-treaters will see, so why not make it both spooky and inviting with these DIY craft ideas? 1. Pumpkin balloon garland. Blow up orange balloons. Draw jack-o'-lantern faces with a marker and string them together to create a garland that stretches across your porch. Add some black balloons for a bat or spider theme. 2. Mummy door wrap. Take white streamers or bandages and wrap your front door like a mummy. Stick on some googly eyes or create a creepy mummy face with black construction paper. This quick and easy transformation is perfect for any front door. 3. Witch's broom and hat display. Use an old broomstick and make it into a witch's broom by tying some twigs or straw at the end. Add a witch hat and place it next to your door for an instant spooky porch feature. Make sure to subscribe for more DIY home decor ideas like these, and don't forget to click the notification bell. What are some budget-friendly DIY Halloween decorations for parties? Hosting a Halloween party doesn't need to be expensive. With these affordable DIY decorations, you can make your space look festive without breaking the bank. 1. DIY paper bat swarm. Cut out bat shapes from black construction paper or cardstock and tape them to your walls in a flying pattern. It's a cheap and effective way to fill a blank wall with some spooky flair. 2. Creepy cloth table runner. Take an old white tablecloth or cheesecloth, rip it up, and dip it in black tea for an aged, creepy effect. Drape it over your party table for an eerie, haunted house vibe. 3. Floating candles. Suspend battery-operated candles from the ceiling using fishing wire to create a magical floating candle effect reminiscent of the Harry Potter Great Hall. CTA. For more spooky party ideas, check out the similar videos in the description. How can I create spooky lighting for Halloween using recycled materials? Lighting sets the mood for any Halloween scene. With recycled materials, you can create atmospheric, eerie lighting that will make your home the creepiest on the block. 1. Tin can lanterns. Save your empty cans and punch out creepy patterns like bats, ghosts, or jack-o'-lantern faces using a hammer and nail. Place a candle or battery-operated light inside to project spooky shadows on your walls. 2. Paper roll candle holders. Use empty toilet paper or paper towel rolls to create DIY candle holders. Paint them black and glue dripping hot glue around the top to mimic melting wax. Insert LED tea lights to give them a flickering candle effect. 3. Recycled glass jar lanterns. Clean out glass jars, paint them with orange or green glass paint, and add scary faces using black acrylic paint. Place LED tea lights inside for safe, glowing lanterns that you can line along your walkway or porch. Got more ideas? Comment below with your favorite DIY Halloween lighting trick. How can I create DIY Halloween decor that adds a sophisticated touch? If you want Halloween decorations that are more elegant than eerie, these sophisticated DIY ideas will help you elevate your decor without losing the festive spirit. 1. Pumpkin topiary. Stack foam or real pumpkins of varying sizes and colors in planters by your front door. Paint them white, gold, or black for a chic Halloween look. 2. Black and white decor. Create a monochromatic palette by using black and white decorations such as black candles, white pumpkins, and lace table runners. The result is a classy yet spooky ambiance. 3. Skeleton centerpiece. For a touch of Gothic elegance, create a centerpiece using a plastic skeleton adorned with flowers, pearls, and candles on a black tablecloth. This adds a sophisticated, haunting vibe to your Halloween table setting. Want to recreate these looks? Check out the products as seen in the video for all your decorating needs. Conclusion. With these DIY Halloween decoration ideas, you're all set to transform your home into a spooky, fun, and festive space. Whether you're crafting with the kids, getting creative with recycled materials, or aiming for a more sophisticated Halloween vibe, there's something here for everyone. Don't forget, decorating for Halloween doesn't have to break the bank. A little imagination goes a long way. Ready to get started? Make sure to subscribe for even more DIY ideas and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the next creative project. Happy Halloween decorating!